Yeah.
What do you have on your hands?
It's my ball collection.
Oh, hold on a second. I thought those were planets.
No, these are my ball collection.
I see. All right. Welcome to Fishbowl Production. Please keep your planets away from the camera for a second, if you don't mind. All right. So over the course of the years that I have been posting videos of how to and entertaining and stuff, I've used a couple variations of mic. This is the one that I've used for the longest. This is actually motorcycle helmet at times, but this is a purple panda mic. But this is one that I've been using for a very long time, and I needed something different for the next 2025 ventures, if you will. Okay, so then I got this one about maybe 6 months back. This is the one that everybody was raving about in TikTok, and I actually got it from a TikTok shop. And guess what? Well, this works, but after using a couple times, you will see that the quality of this thing, this is like $5, $6. So I should not be expecting much, but after a couple uses, you will see these dark spots here. Those are where the connector pins got eroded, if you will, or they got washed away as you use it. Again, that was after a couple uses.
Sorry.
That was only after a couple uses, so that has gone bad. Again, this serves a very different purpose than my purple panda mic, but like I said,
Dad, can I say something about your purple panda mic?
yes.
First of all, it's not purple, and it's not a panda, but it's furry like a panda.
It's furry like a panda. Yeah, you're right. It's furry like a panda. Okay.
Or it looks like a cat's or a bunny's tail.
Actually, that is called isn't it called a dead cat? What is it called? I think this thing is called something. It's called dead cat or something. We'll have to look it up. But so today, like I said, for the next venture that I want to do, I bought a Blue Yeti Logitech mic. Let me talk about my next venture. So between my daughter and I, here you can see a lot of these sort of stuff. This morning my daughter wanted me to talk about planets, and I was hoping to use these as a way to explain her about planets. So we do a lot of sciencey stuff during breakfast, and at times we just find pockets of time where we do sciencey stuff or talk about technology and whatnot. So I figured we could do
something about mics.
Yeah, we between the daughter and the father, we could create content which would be beneficial for kids.
Oops.
So we could educate the kids, or at least motivate the kids to more science stuff. So that's the plan. But
just like Mike Robber.
Yeah, we are inspired by Mike.
No, Mark.
Just like like Mark Robber. We're very inspired by him. My daughter and I watch a ton of videos.
Like how smart is a crow video.
Oh yeah, that was a good one. But anyways, so the idea is to use a Yeti mic as a way to have a conversation between my daughter and I, and record a video about how things work, but with an answer particularly from a science standpoint. That is our hope. So I'm gonna be unboxing this, and between the purple panda mic, between this one and the Yeti mic, now I'm already in a lot of trouble because the wifey doesn't want me to spend all this money on all this stuff. But it's okay. We're gonna put it to good use. But sometimes, when the quality is not as good, you end up being
doomed.
Yeah. So we're gonna open this anyways.
I laughed.
Okay, so here comes the Yeti mic out of the plastic,
Yay!
and then put that aside.
Yay! Oh no! Dad, I love you.
I love you too. All right, here we go. All right, set that aside for a second.
Hello, vlog.
See,
Dad, can I
there
say
is
something?
this. Looks like this is the one that's the USB connection to the computer from the mic. There is that one.
Dad,
Yes.
as you open things up, can we just do a quick pause?
Yes.
Because I want to say something.
Okay. What do you want to say?
Why don't we tell the vlog about our different YouTube channels?
Yes.
So if you go on to Fishbowl Production,
Mm-hmm.
you will find lots of grown-up things,
Mm-hmm.
which are like for grown-ups, obviously.
Mm-hmm. Like fixing toilets. Yes.
Yes.
Unboxing
And-
this mic
Yes. And
on the Mega and Daddy channel.
And for kids like me and everyone else who has a child,
Mm-hmm.
they can learn all of the juicy physics and science on Mega and Daddy channel.
There you go. You're right. Yeah. So we're gonna use this mic mostly for Mega and Daddy channel because we're gonna do a lot of science blogging there. So
Yeah.
this is also used for podcasting. That's the word I wanted to find earlier.
Yes.
But so let's open this box right here.
Here, I'll take
Okay.
it out.
So here's the, I guess, the instructions for it. All right. Keep that aside. Let's open that. Ooh, look at that. And
This
then-
looks like a bed.
So I got this mic on Amazon. All right, nothing else is in there, so we can take the box away. But we got this on Amazon, and I got it right before, actually right around Thanksgiving, and it was maybe around $10 or so discounted. But it's heavy actually. It's actually heavy. Looks like that is where the connector goes. There's the headphones, 2 buttons which we'll have to experiment with and see what they do, and then you can turn it like that, and then there's the mute, and then there's the volume. I like this nice logo here.
Hello, mic check.
Mic check, yeah. And then it goes something like this, so you can do that, or looks pretty high quality. It's got some weight to it. Again, the quality of it we will know once we start recording. So for today, just wanted to make sure that for today the idea was to make sure that we unbox it and show you what comes in the box. Again, this right here is the Blue Yeti by Logitech, found at Best Buy. I saw it at Best Buy and many other electronic stores, but I got it from Amazon, so which is my go-to place for a lot of purchases, and hopefully
And for moms.
yes, and hopefully we can put this to very good use.
What's
All right, that would be the end of today's video on unboxing of a Blue Yeti mic. Please let me know if you have any questions, because by the time you ask those questions I may already be using it, but I may not have time to do a video on the quality of the mic, but I'm happy to answer any questions.
Happy
Alright.
sciencing.
Happy sciencing. Please stay healthy and safe, and we will see you on the next video.
And keep your brain sparky.